People use that word friendly, don't they? But I'm not sure they really exist when you're playing a top level game of football. So they're almost rebuilding, but nevertheless they're going to be a wounded animal and a dangerous one at that. So we know it'll be tough, but it's a game we're going into expecting to perform like we've always done, and that's do our best and try and get a result.
It's funny that sometimes in football things can change very quickly. That's, I think, what we have to realize now. And the situation is different. I mean, they go to the Euros. We are not going. It's for us very disappointing, painful as well. But it's totally up to us. And I think now is the only time. The only thing we can do now is just try to restart. Not nice to say, but we have to start and prepare for September 2016. Still a long time ahead, but that's the reality, and we have to cope with that. And the only thing we can do now is try to get some good results out of the next few games. We play 2 now, 2 in March, and then 2 or 3 in the summer. These are the kind of games that we have to try to turn it around.
I think on the back of the last game where Tom Lawrence come on at half-time, who did very well. We like Tom a lot, and that Friday night could be a good chance for him to show us, that he's capable. We've got the likes of Johnny Williams, who we haven't handled for a long time, who figured against Andorra, and he's had his trouble with injuries, but he'll be back in the fold, which is good news for us. We've recalled George Williams, who has not played for Fulham yet in the first team after his long-term injury, but he's played 4 or 5 reserve games, so he could figure at some point on Friday night. It'd be nice to have him back. We've brought in young Tom Bradshaw, who's been doing a great job for Walsall, scoring goals, and it just gives these new ones, if you like, a bit of experience, a taste of it. Games like this, it's not just about the result. Of course, we want to get a result. You learn, especially from our younger players, and we've got a considerable amount in this camp. There's other things we can get out of it.
I had a good conversation with the coach. We spoke about it also with my club. I think the club Bayern Munich, I think they preferred me to be at the club now. Try to stabilize my physical condition and to stay fit instead of maybe playing. But I wanted to be here because we are building on something new. This week we started something like some kind of new project, and so it matters to me, otherwise I wasn't here.
What's the best question of the night? Tomorrow is Friday the 13th. The Dutch team played 2 matches on Friday the 13th in the history. Last World Cup against Spain 5-1, as you might remember, we do. And the match against France in 2008 on the European Championships, which we won with 4-1. So prepare. Arno.
When we've had to call other players up, they've always come in and done a great job for us. And the strength of the group is not just we've got 2 world-class players, which we have. The strength of the group is togetherness in it, and that's always been evident. So going forward, we're not always going to get Gareth or Aaron, and we have to deal with that. And then the players who come in will have to step up, and they've generally done that. The lads who came in did a great job for us, and we looked at the possession, because Holland are a possession-based team, and I think we had 48% of possession. It was the last game for them before they went to the World Cup, and they got to the semi-finals, and they finished 3rd. And 2 years on, it's us going into a major tournament, not them. And to be honest with you, I wish Holland was there. You want, the big teams to be at the tournament, and of course they're a force. Yeah, it's funny how 2 years on, it's us preparing with a couple of friendly games going into a major tournament, and not the other way around.